Arias. This one is made by Mary Dominic Gaston. And my creation, the beautiful Rumila Kate Gonzalez. Hold your wand, Rumila. The beautiful fairy Rumila Kate V. Gonzalez. Problem is no costume. But look at the hair.
In my house.
Oh, Secha. Etos. Manglo ka. And I am beautiful Mary Dominic Gaston, the maker of the wand, and with Isha Vego, the beautiful lady in the world, and her very beautiful house. Yan si Ate Mike. Makikita niyo na sa buong mundo. Yan si JB at yan si Chan Chan. Nakatingin sa kanyang whatever. I don't know that. Ah! DS light ko no.
No, nagdidilim. Napalik na natin eh, Dote. Ay, meron yung sa tail ko pa, meron. Sa tail ko pa.